Who's the hottest chef in the world?
You are.
What am I making today?
Kebab.
I'm gonna make a delicious kebab from the city of Chandigarh. I'm gonna make a stuffed chicken kebab. So let's get started. The stuffed Chandigarh kebab will be made in two stages. For the first stage of marination, I'm gonna take few drumsticks in a bowl, add ginger garlic paste, salt, black pepper, mix it nicely. My first stage of marination is done. I'll let the chicken rest for a few minutes. By that time, we'll start with the stuffing. To begin for the stuffing, first I'm going to take 200 grams of cottage cheese. We will grate it. And after grating it, first I'm going to add mustard oil, cashew nut paste, chopped mint, coriander, and lemon juice. To add flavor to the stuffing, I'm going to add the seasoning. First, I'm going to add haldi, coriander powder, red chili powder, and to add tangy zing to the kebab, I'm going to add chaat masala, some salt, and black pepper. After adding all the ingredients, let's mix this nicely. Instead of using cottage cheese, you can also use prawn mince for stuffing. My stuffing is now ready. It's time to get the chicken in the picture. Take one drumstick, make a nice deep pocket like this, and do the same for the rest. Now I'll start putting stuffing in the pockets. And I'll do the same for the rest. Now I'm going to let it rest for a while and start with the second stage of the marination. For the second stage of marination, first I'm going to add cashew nut cream, little mustard oil, chaat masala. I'm going to break 2 eggs, whisk it together nicely till you get a nice smooth marination. My marination is ready, and before I put my drumstick into the marination, I'll switch on the gas so that my oil heats up. I'll start putting my chicken drumstick into the marination. I'm going to massage it nicely. As the oil starts heating up, I'll start putting my chicken drumstick into cornflakes and papad crumbs. After coating the chicken drumstick in the crumb, I'll put it directly in the oil. Make sure you cook it on a low flame so that you get a nice color and also the drumstick get cooked properly. Put the chicken drumstick for frying for at least 8 minutes or till you get a nice golden brown color. As you can see, it has already started getting brown. The chicken drumstick is ready. As you can see, it is nice golden brown color. I'll put it on a paper towel and follow the same for the rest. The chicken drumsticks are ready. Now I'm going to make a nice cream sauce and toss the chicken drumstick into it, and that will be our final process. First, I'm going to take cream in a bowl. Next, I'm going to add elaichi powder, cumin powder, fennel powder, cinnamon powder, garam masala, and finally some lemon juice. Mix it up nicely. After mixing it for a while, I'm going to add turmeric powder, salt, mix it up again nicely. Next, I'm going to take a pan, heat it up, add oil, take my drumstick, dip it in the cream, and put it on the pan. Cook the chicken drumstick on one side for 30 seconds. Once you get the color, then flip it on the other side. Make sure the cream is properly cooked before plating. My drumstick is ready. Now we'll start plating. There you go guys, our Chandigarh Stuffed Chicken Drumstick is now ready. This dish is hot, but I am hotter. And if you're watching this dish on a chilly winter afternoon, you can do just one thing. Just like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.